Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy and welcome to A Day in Real Estate. So, a lot of times we refer to square footage in real estate, in valuing property and things like that. The square footage is actually measured from the outside of the house going in, so it measures all the walls and everything like that. Well, today I want to talk to you about hidden potential in the square footage or in spaces inside the walls. So, a lot of houses, most houses have some kind of wasted space in there. Well, in our house, when we remodeled our entire house, I reclaimed a lot of those spaces as I could in tearing things out and moving things around. So here's one really extreme idea that you can do in reclaiming some of that square footage. You know, sometimes it's under stairs or whatever. This just happened to be in between two bedrooms. It was a weird shape of the way that the other bedroom was. It wasn't really a usable space at all. So we reclaimed that space and we put in this Murphy door. So this thing is really cool. It was super difficult to install. So for you DIYers, just be forewarned, it's a fantastic piece of equipment, really nice piece in the house. This is in our bedroom. And we're able to display stuff on it, but it was really difficult to install. So this opens up, and then we have storage. So in the other room, all we did was bump the wall in the other room to reclaim that space, and then close this off and install the Murphy door and finish it out. Put in some of the Alpha shelving in here from the Container Store so that we can stack stuff in here. All of our suitcases and everything are out of the way so that we only have to pull them out when we travel. There you go. Now we have a nice, usable, fun space to set things with all of that clutter hidden behind this Murphy door. What kind of space can you discover in your house? I'd love to hear your stories. Shoot me a message. And I'm here for you if you need anything real estate. You just, are interested in doing something around your house. What would add value? What's the current value of your house? What are things doing in your real estate market, your macro, micro market that's around your house, your neighborhood, what's happening? Or maybe you're thinking about buying a house or buying an investment property. I'd love to have a conversation with you. I'm Kevin McCarthy. It's another day in real estate. Have fun.